We are here because my brother here, George is his name, who has a leg challenge. For one of the legs is amputated by reason of complications in diabetes, and he's using one leg and some crutches. Courtesy of Dame Esther Damien, Rainbow Rescue Association is extending help to them, and this is one of them. And we extend the help. We extend the help to him this morning. Yes, and this is his appearance. This is the way he walks. This is the way he walks. This is the way he's walking with one leg. It's all right, you know. So this is the way it's working, and then we are giving him help with some cash also. Thank you for hearing.